Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, unlock the iPhone and identify the problematic app so you act with purpose. If your device has a home button, double-click it. If not, swipe up from the bottom and pause to reveal the app switcher. Once the cards appear, make sure you can see the app preview. This visual confirms the app is running in the foreground or background. Doing this prevents accidental restarts and prepares you to stop the process cleanly and quickly. Once done with the app switcher, swipe the app card upward with a firm, single motion to force quit. You'll know it worked when the preview vanishes. If the app relaunches immediately, make sure background app refresh isn't restarting it. Go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and disable that app. If problems persist, perform a quick force restart of the iPhone to clear cached processes. This combination stops persistent background services and gives you a clean slate to verify the app stays stopped. After stopping the app, reopen it to ensure it behaves normally. Make sure you update the app via the App Store so bugs are fixed. If the problem returns, offload or delete and reinstall the app to remove corrupted data. Finally, if reinstalling fails, reset network or all settings as a last measure, but back up first. Troubleshoot tip. If an app keeps restarting after these steps, check for device-level profiles or restrictions. They can force background activity, and removing them usually resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.